Original clip. AI extended. Download Filmora 15 using the link below and use AI Extend. Before editing, I like to set my workspace on classic editing interface. Since the video clip that I'll be using is 16:9, let's change the project settings to a widescreen, not portrait. Now let's add your Christmas video clip. Don't forget to delete this user guide sample video. Now let's add our Christmas clip onto the editing timeline. Let's watch the whole clip. That's it. Now let's try to extend the clip using this AI Extend tool. Enable AI Extend, then drag either side of the clip. Take note that the maximum extend is only 8 seconds or below. You may also check out the different camera movement prompts in this button. Of course, AI won't work properly without your actual prompt. So this is what I'll be writing, and we'll hope for some good results. You may change the settings here, like the resolution and duration. Again, you won't be able to use this feature without downloading the Filmora 15 link in the description below. Hit the generate button and wait for a while. You see, in the video, Santa was just dancing by himself, but after using AI Extend, he's now a DJ in a party with people on his side and another DJ in the house. Let's now try to add some background music to match the mood of their party.